Okay, so we have a problem here like this where we'll do a combination of addition and subtraction. Say my question is given like this. I need to find the value of the following. What is the thing? Say 983 minus 724 plus 209. How do we do this sum? You can see we have both plus sign and minus sign. I can do the plus portions before. I mean, I have to do like that. I see that 983 is a positive number because no sign before 983 means it is a plus sign. That is plus 983, this is actually. And the second plus term is plus 209. I will write those two terms first. 938 plus 209. Okay? And then I can keep these two numbers in a bracket because I have to do this operation before. And after that I have the third term minus 724. Minus 724 is the third term. So my first job is to add 938 and 209. Let me do that in my rough area. 938 and 209. How much it will give me? 8 plus 9, it's like I count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'll put 17 here and 1 is carried here. Next is 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 0 is 4. Third digit 9 plus 2 will give me 9, 10, 11. So the sum of these two numbers is 1147. This is a positive term because this is plus 938 and plus 209. The sum of these two terms will give me plus 1147, and the second term which remains here I can write beside, that is 724. Now my job is to subtract 724 from 1147. Let me do that in the rough area. I have 1147 here and I can just subtract 724 from here only. Just ignore this bit line in the middle. So it's 7 minus 4 will give me count after 4 till 7, 5, 6, 7, 3. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 11, see it's 1 minus 7, but 1 you have to take it as 11. So 11 minus 7 is like 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm left with 4. And then 1 is added to this position. So 1 minus 1 is 0, which it's not needed to write. So my result is 423, which you can see we have got after subtracting 724 from 1147, right? So that's my answer here, 423. Got it? This is the answer. We can show similar kind of problem, another example actually. The second problem is like this. I have say 7, 8, 9 minus 2, 4, 5 minus let me take 5, 1, 0. Okay, so see here that I have 1 plus positive term, that is plus 789. I have already told in the first problem that if I don't see any sign before a number, that means it is a positive number, and if I see a number before, like these two other terms, these are negative terms. That means minus 245 and minus 510. Then how we solve this problem? Here what I do is, at first I write the first positive term in the front. This remains. Now you see that you can do it actually in two ways. First, you can minus or subtract 245 from the positive term 789. Then whatever you get, you subtract 510 from that number. I'll show you both the way. If that is the case, then it's 245 and then minus 510. That means I'm doing this first operation first. That's why I have taken these two terms in bracket. How much does it come? Let me check in the rough area. It is 789 minus 245. How much it'll give me? 9 minus 5 will give me 4. Then 8 minus 4 will give me 4. 7 minus 2, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. So I've got here 5, 4, 4. And then I have this minus 510. Now I need to subtract 510 from this result. How much will that come? 510 will come as 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. So my answer is 34. Now here, the second method which we can follow in this kind of problem, where I have two minus signs. This is like OR. We can follow another method. I can write 7, 8, 9. I can take minus common. Since two terms has minus in front, from both I take minus out, and in bracket I can write 245 plus 510. How is that? Because this bracket is actually act as a into sign. What does it mean is that the first term, if you open this bracket, the first term will be minus 245, and the second term, here this 2 sign gets multiplied. That means minus into plus will give you a minus sign. This thing about the signs maybe I'll discuss in some next video, but for now you actually whichever is convenient for you all. You can follow this method, or you can just take this sign as common, and in the bracket this minus sign will become plus, because minus into plus is actually minus. When you open the bracket, this will be same as this only. When you open the bracket, you will first get minus 245, and then plus into minus will give him minus 510. So next line will be 789 minus the sum of these two number, which will be 5 plus 0 will give you 5. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. And then you can subtract these two numbers. Let me do it this way, this horizontal way only. First, 9 minus 5 will give you 4. Then 8 minus 5 will give you like 6, 7, 8, 3. And 7 minus 7 is 0. So you see, you get the same answer actually, right? You get the same number, 34 here, 34 here. So whichever method is convenient for you, you can follow that.